Hello everyone, today I will be demonstrating how to do video playback in AC Cloud. You can access to video playback through either clicking on the more options on the vehicle reg, or either you can go to Evidence Center. In the video playback option you can select the vehicle reg and it will give you a green sign on the date where the vehicle was moving and it was turned on. As example, I click on a vehicle and a specific date. It will show me all the cameras which are live with the map where the vehicle was traveling on the particular day. I can click on the map to see the specific recording associated with that location. As you can see on the screen, it gives me all the cameras which the vehicle has fitted in, and it shows me different options such as screenshot, zoom, full screen, and more. By clicking on the settings, I can change some specific functions such as speed control, video mode, and display ratios. I can also see the channels and I can unselect or select all the channels that are associated with the vehicle. So if I click on the clip, it should give me an option to download as frame rates. It can be of any particular length that I want to. So here I'm downloading a 2-minute video with high definition quality. And as soon as I click on confirm, it will give me an option to name the video, start time, and change some advanced settings like memory type and what cameras I would like to show. I can also mark it as the level of priority I would like to give to this video. And as soon as I click on save, it will be saved in the video library. Clip will also give me the speed of the vehicle, and there are some additional features that you can use in video playback, such as picture playback as a snapshot from the recording, which you can use to download the specific recording. So if I click on video library, the video will be in the completed section. I can share the video quickly via email if I want to share to someone who doesn't have access to AC Cloud. I can also download the video on my laptop. Here I want to share this video with someone who doesn't have access to AC Cloud. I can set a specific expiry time and also a password protected link. I'll open a new tab and I will paste the link with the password to show you how it will look like to the person you're sharing the recording. The video have all the channels that we selected while downloading the clip. It will also contain some general information that we would like to share, such as vehicle number plate, driver name, vehicle speed, and alarm type and address. If you have any further doubts regarding video playback, you can always go on Help Center and it will give you a full guide about video playback. Thank you.